Desktop Mate has taken the community by storm. We're now able to take our favorite models and have them running with our computer at all times. And this is amazing, except for one little thing, in that for Ruffians, it's only built for one model at a time. So you got to pick between Fuawa or Melkoko. And then if you try to go launch another one, it just says stop. Well, I don't like having to choose between my Oshi, Fuamoko. So let me walk you through how I did this. First off, what you're going to want to do is in Steam, go right click on Desktop Mate, go to Manage, Browse Local Files, pull up the files for Desktop Mate. We're going to want to go back one directory up to the common to where all your games are saved here. And then all I did was copy and pasted, create a new Desktop Mate, and then I just renamed it. I already did this earlier, so I named it 2. We're just going to name this one number 3. You're going to want to go ahead and go into Desktop Mate, the new folder you just made. Right click, new file, text document. It's going to be called Steam underscore app ID. Go ahead, double click on that. Inside of here, you're going to go ahead and type in the ID code for Desktop Mate, which the Steam ID is 3301060. Go ahead and save that file, close it out. You have it there. And now you can actually just run this and it'll initialize a new instance of Desktop Mate. This is going to run and it's not going to be able to pull up the file because it's looking somewhere that doesn't exist right now. Just like your first time that you loaded it, it'll take a moment. Hit F4, select your file, and you're good to go. Now, I do want to make a special mention here that unlike with the Desktop Mate running on a Steam, this is not going to have the launch option to hide this box going on. In order to fix that though, you can copy out the launch option, right click on the Desktop Mate heat running, go to show more options, create shortcut. Shortcut you can rename whatever you want, but what we're going to want to do is hit properties. In the target, just go to the very end of that line, hit the space, put in the launch command, and then you hit apply and save. And now, whenever you go to launch again, that ugly text box will no longer be there.